Why did you shoot her? I will not spare you.
Why did you shoot her? تا هغه ولې وویستله. shoot ویل کېږي ویستل له ټوپک څخه. I will not spare you. زه به تا پرې نږدم.
Rose is bleeding. We have to take her to the hospital.
Rose is bleeding. له روز څخه وینه بهیږي. bleeding ویل کېږي د وینې بهیدل. We have to take her to the hospital. موږ باید هغه هسپتال ته ویسو.
You are next, Peter. You are going to die.
You are next, Peter. ته راتلونکی ته یې پیټره. You are going to die. ته به مړ کېږې. die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل.
Rose. I will save you. I will not let you die.
Rosa, I will save you. زه به تا ژغورمه. I will not let you die. زه به تا پرې نږدم چې ته مړه شې.
Officer, take them to the police station. They wanted to kill us.
Officer, take them to the police station. دوی police station ته ویسه. They wanted دوی غوښتل to kill us چې موږ ووژني. kill ویل کېږي وژلو ته.
Don't worry. I will deal with them. They have to pay for everything.
Don't worry. پریشانه کېږي ما. worry ویل کېږي پریشانه کېدل. I will deal with them. زه به له دوی سره معامله کوم. deal ویل کېږي معامله کول. They have to دوی باید pay ادا کړي for everything. د هر څه لپاره چې دوی کړي دي که نه د هغه لپاره به دوی ادا وکړي.
Please save her, doctor. She has bled a lot.
Please save her, doctor. مهرباني وکړئ ډاکټر هغه وژغورئ. She has bled a lot. له هغې څخه ډېره وینه بهېدلې ده.
Don't sweat it. I will try my best. Please have some patience.
Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږئ مه. I will try my best. زه به خپله ښه کوشش کوم. Please have some patience. مهرباني وکړئ صبر څخه کار واخلئ. یعنې صبر وکړئ. Patience ویل کېږي صبر ته.
She will be fine, Peter. You saved her. You are a brave man.
She will be fine, Peter. هغه به بالکل صحیح شي پیټره. You saved her. ته هغه ژغورلې وه. You are a brave man. ته یو زړور سړی یې. brave ویل کېږي زړور ته.
Thanks a lot, Peter. You saved my life. You are a real hero.
Thanks a lot, Peter. ډېره زیاته مننه پیټره. You saved my life. تا زما ژوند وژغورو. You are a real hero. ته یو حقیقي قهرمان یې. real ویل کېږي حقیقي ده او hero ویل کېږي قهرمان ته.
You put your life in danger for me. I will not forget this.
You put your life in danger for me. ګورې you put your life تا خپل ژوند واچو in danger په خطر کې for me زما لپاره. سیدې danger ویل کېږي خطر ته. I will not forget this. زه به دا هیر نه کړمه. forget ویل کېږي هیرول ته.
It was my pleasure.
Mom, I am so sorry again. I am a bad girl.
Mom, مورې I am so sorry again. زه دوباره بخښنه غواړم. I am a bad girl. زه یوه خرابه جینۍ یم.
No, my sweetie. You are a good girl. Tony used you. You were innocent.
No, my sweetie. نه زما خوږې. You are a good girl. ته یوه ښه جینۍ یې. Tony used you. ټوني ته استعماله کړې. You were innocent. ته بېګناه وې. innocent ویل کېږي بېګناه ته.
You are my princess. I love you a lot.
You are my princess. ته زما شهزادګۍ یې. princess ویل کېږي شهزادګۍ ته. I love you a lot. زه له تا سره ډېره مینه کوم.
I love you too, Mom. I will listen to you from now on.
I love you too, Mom. زه هم له تا سره مینه کوم مورې. I will listen to you. زه به تا ته غوږ نیسمه from now on له اوس څخه.
Where is Rose's sister? I am getting worried now.
Where is Rose's sister? روز خور می چیرته ده. I am getting worried now. زه پریشانه کېږم اوس.
I am also anxious, Jasmine. I cannot wait anymore. I have to call Madam.
I am also anxious, Jasmine. زه هم اندېښمنه یم جاسمینه. anxious ویل کېږي اندېښمن ته. I cannot wait anymore. زه نور انتظار نشم کولای. I have to call madam. زه باید میډم ته زنګ ووهم.
Oh no. Rose's mother is calling me. She must be anxious about her daughter.
Oh no, Rose's mother is calling me. د روز مور ماته زنګ وهي. She must be anxious. هغه به ورخطا اندېښمنه به about her daughter د خپل لور باره کې.
You have to pick up the phone. You need to tell her the truth.
You have to pick up the phone. ته باید موبایل اوچت کړې. You need to tell her the truth. ته باید هغه ته رښتیا ووایې. truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته.
Hello. How are you?
Hello, salam. How are you? څنګه یاست؟
I am good, madam. Rose has not arrived yet. Is she still there?
I am good, madam. زه ښه یم میډمه. Rose has not arrived yet. Rose لا تر اوسه را رسېدلې نه ده. arrive ویل کېږي رسېدل. او yet مطلب دی اوس تر اوسه. Is she still there? آیا هغه تر اوسه هلته ده؟
Listen to me. Rose is in the hospital. I am with her.
Listen to me. ما ته غوږ ونیسه. Rose is in the hospital. Rose په هسپتال کې ده. I am with her. زه له هغې سره یم.
What? What is she doing there? Is she okay?
What is she doing there? هغه هلته څه کوي؟ Is she okay? آیا هغه صحیح ده؟
Okay.
I cannot tell you over phone. Can you please come here?
I cannot tell you over phone. زه تا ته په موبایل باندې نشم ویلی. Can you please come here? آیا ته کولی شې چې دلته راشي؟
What happened to her? I want to
What happened to her? په هغې څه وشول؟ یعنې څه واقع شول هغې ته؟ I want to know. زه غواړم چې پوه شم.
know.
She is in the operation theater. I am sending you the location. Please come here.
She is in the operation theater. هغه د operation ول کې ملګرو عملیات ته سیده. هغه د عملیاتو په کوټه کې ده. تیتر ول کې کوټې ته. هغه کوم ځای کې چې operation کېږي که نه هغې ته operation theater وایي. سیده I am sending you the location. زه تا ته لوکیشن درلیږم. Please come here. مهرباني وکړه دلته راشه.
Here.
Fine. I am
Fine. صحیح ده. I am coming. زه در روان یم.
coming.
Mom, where is Rose's sister? How is she?
Mom, مورې where is Rose sister? Rose خور مې چیرته ده؟ How is she? هغه څنګه ده؟
I don't know, my sweetie. I am going to bring
I don't know, my sweetie. زه نه پوهېږم د ما خوږې. I'm going to bring her. زه به هغه راولم.
her.